Hey everyone, Dynamo Tech here with a brand new video. It's a brand new year, and everyone's talking about fresh starts and achieving goals. But what about managing time and boosting productivity? Now that's a whole other challenge. Today we'll explore some apps like Todoist, Trello, and Notion that will become your secret weapon for achieving peak productivity this year. From organizing appointments with Google Calendar to crushing your to-do list with Todoist, these apps will make a world of difference. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just looking to get your time in check, stick around. Hit that play button, and let's jump right in. First up, we have the classic Google Calendar. Google Calendar is like the Swiss Army knife of scheduling. You can easily schedule meetings with Google Calendar, get timely reminders from Google Calendar, and sync your calendar with your team using Google Calendar to avoid any scheduling conflicts. Google Calendar also seamlessly integrates with other apps and automatically adds events like flights to your Google Calendar. Google Calendar is the foundation of digital organization, and it's constantly evolving. Next up is Todoist. For anyone who feels overwhelmed by a never-ending to-do list, Todoist is the solution. Todoist breaks down tasks into actionable steps, creates daily to-do lists, and prioritizes important tasks. It also keeps you motivated by tracking your progress and awarding karma points. And with seamless syncing across all your devices, Todoist helps you stay organized anywhere. Say goodbye to scattered sticky notes and hello to Todoist, your powerful productivity command center. Ever have a brilliant idea strike at the most random moment? That's where Evernote comes in. Think of Evernote as your digital brain, a place to store all your thoughts, notes, and inspirations. Jot down quick notes, save articles from the web using Evernote, and even capture photos of handwritten reminders, all within the Evernote app. It's like a portable, searchable archive of your mind, ready whenever you need it with Evernote. Let's face it, in the age of smartphones, distractions are everywhere. Enter the App Forest, an app that turns your focus into a game. Plant a virtual tree and forest when you need to focus, and if you resist the urge to use your phone, your tree and forest will grow. It's a fun and engaging way to break bad phone habits and supercharge your focus with Forest. Last but not least, we have Habitica, which turns your to-do list into a role-playing game. With Habitica, create a character, level up by completing tasks, and earn rewards for achieving your goals. Join guilds with friends in Habitica, embark on quests together, and battle monsters. Procrastination, anyone? Habitica is perfect for those who love a challenge and enjoy a unique approach to productivity. And there you have it. These are the apps that will supercharge your productivity in 2025: Todoist, Notion, Trello, and Evernote. Remember, finding the right tools like Todoist and Notion is just the first step. The real magic happens when you use them consistently, whether it's Trello or Evernote. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.